receipt. If customer want to deposit their money in the bank account, means they have to fill up this deposit receipt. Here they have to write account number, amount here they have to sign and give to their counter. Then only they will deposit to their account. And I told that is cash withdrawal counter. This is cash withdrawal receipt. Okay, they have to write their account and amount they have to sign and give to their. They will give the money. Okay, this is cash withdrawal receipt. This is cash deposit receipt. Understood? Can you see there?
Yes, sir.
This is called, that is called gold loan counter. Customer having the gold, now they want money. They deposit their gold there.
As per Banking Regulation Act, bank can take money from public in the form of deposit, and we can give the money in the form of advances to the public. This is two main job of bank. One is deposit and second is
Can you explain in a brief manner what is the bank and what is the need of banking to the society? Let me segregate few students, like few organize. Some students act as a farmers, and some students act as a business persons, some students act as a employees, some students act as a daily earners, like that. If a farmer produces the crop and it is sold in the society, the money will deposit in the bank.
In the SRS Bank, we gave a name to SRS Bank with the institutional name, and this opportunity is given only for grade 8 standard students, only for your class. No other class will be having this opportunity. And as these people are sitting here with the positions like manager, assistant manager, cashier, office bearers and all, so this will be a rotation will be there. Every time, every month we are changing these positions. Other students will also